Then this active button is just below the dot. So the active dot is the few, and remember we put them within the curly braces, and then few, and we close it, self close it, so that we can now say width is at 2, height is at 2, margin is that, margin left is that, and background color is now blue. And we also have it having rounded, and it is full radius, border radius 999. Now to change this index, you can see we have used the on index changed, and we have given it this callback, whereby it is referring to index, and the index, it is coming from set index, which is this index here, which we have set it, set active index. You can see it is right here. We have this const. We have the first one, const, which is swipe ref, and use ref swiper, which is first of all starting at null, and this swiper we are also importing it right here. Import swiper from React Native Swiper, that one which we have already installed into our project using the terminal. Okay, so we also have this const and active index, and we have this set active index, and to start with we have 0. We have not set anything, so now it is 0. Nothing is set, right? So that is what we have so far, and you can see here the index. This is a callback, and it is an arrow function referring to what will happen when the index is available. And now we have this. This is a list of arrays. So this array you can also do it like that, and you do a lot of work right here. You can bring the object that you want, objects as much as you wish, or as much as you wish, and it will be alright. So